Ladies, pay close attention. This is very important information because these guys, besides very handsome and intrepid flyers, of course, they're also great craftsmen. They handcraft this replica of the original ritual. This small toy, you can take it home with you as a very special and unique souvenir for all your friends and family directly from Mexico, directly from Costa Maya, Mahahual. And this is the way they get to support their own families. And this is also the way they get to give back a little to the community. They help the School of Flyers for Children back in their hometown in Papantla, Veracruz. So any euro, dollar, or peso is highly appreciated.
Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.